Did you know that the average household uses about 400 loads of laundry a year? But many of us use more soap than necessary, leading to waste and excess water use. For just a small speck of dust, there's no need for detergent. In fact, studies show that 30% of the soap we use isn't necessary for light stains. Start by soaking your clothes in plain water first to remove light dirt. This helps reduce soap usage by up to 25%. After rinsing out the dirt, soak your clothes in soapy water to tackle deeper stains. By doing this, you save soap, water, and reduce chemical runoff. Small changes, like soaking first, can cut your soap usage by 50% and help conserve up to 10 gallons of water per wash. Saving money, saving resources, and protecting the planet. Save soap, save water, save the planet.